In this video, you will learn how you can put money into your Play Store account. The first thing we are going to do is open your Play Store application, and we are going to first press in your icon, and we are going to payments and subscription, and we can see the options. We will touch here and hope that Google Play will let me record. If it doesn't let me record, I left you some small photos here next, so then you can see the data. The first thing we are going to do is press in payment methods. Here we can add debit card. Here it will ask you for the card number, the expiration date, and the CVV, which are the digits they appear on the back of the card. The other option is reading a code. A code appears on the type of gift card. You enter the card, which is approximately 20 digits long, and the cost of the card will be remitted in the bay. So that will be everything to put money on your card in your Google Play Store account. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to tell us what you think of